Hey there, it's Danielle from 4 Patriots. We're here at a gorgeous golf course in Nashville, Tennessee. It's the perfect location for the special mission we've got today. Now, you might think we're about to hit the links for 18 holes of golf, right? Well, maybe on another day. But today, we're all about putting our brand new Talk-N-Go Walkie Talkies to the test. The manual for these babies claims to have a range of 3 miles. So let's find out if it can really go the distance. Before we get to that, be sure to hit the subscribe button on our channel. And don't forget to tap that little bell right beside it. You'll get notifications each time we post a new video. And we've got more awesome videos in store you won't want to miss, like this one. Okay, so first, here's some walkie talking points. These are the Talk-N-Go Walkie Talkies. They're a fun, simple way to communicate with family and friends when cell service isn't reliable, or when you want to maybe save your phone's batteries. You can use them for any outdoor activities, and they're great for keeping in touch in large crowds, like the kinds you'd find at theme parks or parades, or golf courses. And our Talk-N-Go's aren't just useful for leisurely pastimes like family trips. They can be a lifeline of communication for blackouts, natural disasters, or as a plan B for your cell phone. They have 16 channels to avoid interference, plus a private secure mode to block out wandering ears. Not to mention, they're so easy to use. Okay, so obviously I need a partner in crime to pull off this field test. Today, I've got Katie here to help me put these Talk-N-Go's through their paces.
Hey everybody.
Katie's going to be my sidekick to help test out these fun little gizmos. We're going to show you these are no tin can telephones, but real, reliable communication devices. Right now, we're at the 9th hole, which is the midway mark for all you golfers out there. I'm going to drive to the beginning of the course, and Katie's headed down to the back 9. The distance between the farthest 2 holes is about 3 miles, give or take a club or 2. We've also got our cell phones here as a GPS to confirm how far we get reception on our walkie-talkies. Hopefully, all goes well, and we won't end up with a mulligan. So the first thing we want to do is power them on. We're going to press this power button on top and hold it until we hear a beep. All right, now that we're powered on, there are 16 different channels that we can be on, and we want to be on the same one. So I'm on channel 1.
I'm on channel 3.
All right, so you want to press that center button and toggle with your up or down arrows until you get to the same channel that I'm on. Now, if we press and hold that center button, we'll lock our channels and then no one else can hear us. We'll be covert. All right, I believe we're all teed up and ready to go. Watch out for those sand traps.
Hey Danielle, I'm halfway here. Can you hear me?
Loud and clear, Katie.
How many miles are you seeing on your GPS?
It looks like we're just over a mile apart, sounding great.
That's what I'm seeing too. All right, let's go. Hey Danielle, I'm at the inn. Can you still hear me loud and clear?
You're still loud and clear, Katie.
It's amazing how effective the Talk-N-Go Walkie Talkies can be. How did you use your walkie talkies? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.